Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking one app and a clear audience, then identify 3-5 features you'll test. Once done, set your device to 16:9 and enable Do Not Disturb so notifications won't interrupt the capture. Make short rehearsal lines and a 30-60 second plan for each feature so you don't ramble. Record quick 60-120 second clips for each demo point. This gives you tight, editable takes. Make sure to timestamp notable actions for later editing. Now you focus on the core demo. Record each feature with a good external mic and screen capture simultaneously so audio is crisp. While you record, narrate why each interaction matters and point out latency or edge cases. Show before and after states to prove impact. Once you have main takes, capture B-roll like settings, installation flows, permission prompts, and any errors. These visuals support claims. Make sure to label clips and mark the best takes for assembly in the editor. Finish by assembling a concise edit. Trim to the strongest 60-180 second review, use jump cuts and 1-2x speed on slow bits, and add callouts for key features so viewers scan quickly. Then add captions, a short intro/out row, and a visible App Store link plus your final verdict. Once done, export with matching frame rate and upload. If audio sync drifts, resample or nudge the audio track to align waveforms. That fix resolves most timing issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.